Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to handle that of a winner. We're going to check whether there's going to be a winner. There's a winner. We're going to stop the game from playing. You know that we still have two conditions to fulfill. The first condition is to check whether there's a winner. There's a winner. We're going to show there's a winner, and we're going to stop the code from running. And the second condition is in a situation whereby the players were stubborn and there was no any winner. Then we are going to clean the board because the board get filled up in our current condition right now. The board is filled up. We can see right here. We can no longer play any position. We keep on prompting the current player to keep on choose somewhere else. So what in a situation whereby the board is filled up, we want to clean the board so players can find somewhere else to play and then try again. So that's basically what we're going to do in this video. But first of all, I would like to go back to our initial video, like how I showed player can win the game. There are basically 8 ways player can win. But let me explain that using my WordPad. Let me go to drawing. Okay, let me use this. Let me bring this. Then let me drop it down. We believe that this is our. Let's draw a Tic Tac Toe board. Yeah, this is how a Tic Tac Toe board looks like. And here, let's say in a situation whereby there's O here. I say there's another O here. Maybe there's another O here. Let's put for X. Let's say there's X here. Let's say there's X here. And then let's say there's O here. No, this. Okay, let's say in a situation where we have this, there's many ways that a player can win. The first one is this of row. Player can win in this row. Player can also win in this row, and player can also win in this row. And aside from row, player can also win in column. I've explained this at the initial of this video. Player can win like this, player can win like this, and also player can win like this. And that is not just for only the column and the rows. There's another way which is here too, and then there's here too. You can see, like for example, what I stated here, you can see a player 1 here, and there's also a player 1 here. So, but this is just example I give. So you can see there are many ways. There are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like I said, there are 8 ways player can win. So well, you already know that we're going to have 8 conditions. There's basically better ways to do this. Like I said, we're going to make it the easiest way possible. Now I'm not going to make things complex, but to try to my best to make it easy as possible. So we're going to make 8 conditions to handle the winning of the board. In case there's a winner, we're going to stop the code and then make sure that if there's a winner, we're going to stop the code, and then guys want to play again, they'll just start the script. Like I said, I'm not going to make it anything professional, be anything more exciting, more complex like that. I'm just going to do it just in a standard way. The game is being played. So if we were to run our script right here, let's test our script. Let's know whether if it's working perfectly. Player 1, select X. Okay, you can see this is just basically what I did here. Player can win this row, this row, this row, and also in this column, and in diagonal form. So that's just basically what I explained using this with my WordPad here. So that's basically what we are going to implement. Let's say there's going to be, because right now if there's a winner, let me make player 1 to win in this row. Okay, let's start with that. Let's say player 1, let's want to play in position 1, and that of player 2, let's say player 2 play in 5, and player 1 is in 2. That of player 2 is, let's say, 7, and that of player 1, let's select 3. Like I said, I want to win in this row. You can see right now, nobody it didn't prompt to say that, oh, somebody won this game. Meanwhile, player 1 won in this row. So that's basically what we are going to do, but that will be in the next video. And just the video, I just want to explain how the core concept is going to be. Like I said, it's going to be 8 conditions. But don't be afraid. The condition is just basically going to be simple, since we have made it initially by creating variables here. So we're just going to check if the positions are a particular character. If it's that, then we'll know that's going to be like here, for example, if here is X, if that is PS1 is X, PS2 is X, and PS3 is X, we already know that player one that of player two, depending on what the player selected. So I think that should be for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also like. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.